Welcome to my Vitamix 5200 review. This powerhouse of a blender comes with variable speed control, letting you fine-tune your blends to perfection. Whether you're whipping up a smooth sauce or crushing ice for a frozen drink, you've got full control at your fingertips. And with its large 64-ounce container, you can easily make big batches for the whole family or your next party. In my opinion, one of the coolest features of the Vitamix 5200 is its ability to make hot soup. The blades spin so fast they create friction heat, turning cold ingredients into steaming hot soup in about 6 minutes. No stove needed. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just add a drop of dish soap and some warm water, turn it on high for 30 and 60 seconds, and it cleans itself. No need to take it apart or scrub by hand. While it's a bit pricey, the Vitamix 5200 is built to last with hardened stainless steel blades that can tackle even the toughest ingredients. Plus, it comes with a 7-year warranty, so you know it's made to stand the test of time. You can unleash your inner chef with the Vitamix variable speed control because this nifty feature lets you fine-tune your blends to perfection. Want chunky salsa? No problem. Craving silky smooth soup? You've got it. Just twist the dial mid-blend to adjust the texture on the fly. The speed control isn't just about consistency though, it's a game changer for flavor too. Slow speeds gently mix delicate ingredients, preserving their individual tastes. Crank it up, and you'll pulverize tough items like ice and frozen fruit in seconds. This versatility means you can tackle a wider range of recipes with confidence. From nut butters to fruit smoothies, you're in charge of every blend. Having a Vitamix is like having a sous chef at your fingertips, ready to execute your culinary vision perfectly every time. The Vitamix 5200 is a beast when it comes to handling big blending jobs. Its 64-ounce container is perfect for whipping up family-sized smoothies or soups, and you won't have to worry about making multiple small batches anymore. The container's unique shape helps create a vortex that pulls ingredients down towards the blades, ensuring everything gets blended evenly. Plus, with variable speed control, you can adjust the blending intensity on the fly, giving you complete control over the texture of your creations. Whether you're making a chunky salsa or a silky smooth puree, this blender can handle it all. The powerful motor and hardened stainless steel blades make quick work of even the toughest ingredients, so you can blend with confidence. Ever dreamed of whipping up a steaming bowl of soup without breaking a sweat? The Vitamix 5200 makes it a reality. This blender's high-speed blades create enough friction to heat your ingredients as they blend. In about 6 minutes, you can transform cold veggies into a piping hot soup. The secret lies in the powerful motor and hardened stainless steel blades. They spin so fast that they generate heat through friction. You don't need to pre-cook anything. Just toss in your ingredients and let the blender do its magic. This feature isn't just for soup lovers. You can also use it to warm up sauces or even make hot chocolate. It's a time saver that eliminates the need for extra pots and pans. Remember though, that you can't cook raw meat in the blender. Stick to veggies, cook proteins, and liquids for best results. With a bit of creativity, you'll be amazed at the hot, homemade meals you can create in minutes. The Vitamix 5200's aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are no joke. These bad boys are built to handle whatever you throw at them. Tough nuts, no problem. Frozen fruit, piece of cake. But it's not just about power. These blades are designed to give you consistent results every time you blend. Whether you're whipping up your first smoothie or your 100th, you can count on the same smooth texture. And when you're done, just add a drop of soap and some warm water, and the blender will clean itself in under a minute. Talk about convenient. Imagine tossing in some soap and water, hitting a button, and watching your blender clean itself. That's the magic of the Vitamix 5200 and Vitamix blenders in general. In just 30 to 60 seconds, you can have a sparkling clean container ready for your next culinary creation. No more scrubbing or struggling with hard-to-reach blades. This feature saves you time and effort, making it a breeze to whip up multiple recipes without the hassle of manual cleaning in between. You'll love how easy it is to maintain your blender, encouraging you to use it more often for all your blending needs. Next up in my Vitamix 5200 blender review, let's take a look at the pros and cons. We'll start with the pros. The powerful motor crushes even the toughest ingredients. The variable speed control lets you fine-tune textures. Its large 64-ounce container, perfect for family-sized batches. The friction heating capability for hot soups in minutes. The inbuilt self-cleaning feature saves time and effort. The durable stainless steel blades built to last. You get a generous 7-year warranty for peace of mind. Now for the cons, it has a higher price point compared to basic blenders. It can be loud at high speeds, but you'd expect this from just about any decent blender, to be honest. There's a slight learning curve to master all the features. Blending enthusiasts can't stop raving about this kitchen powerhouse in their Vitamix 5200 blender reviews. You'll find countless users praising its ability to whip up silky smoothies in seconds. Many highlight how it tackles tough ingredients like frozen fruit and leafy greens with ease. The self-cleaning feature is a huge hit too, saving you precious time in the morning rush. Additionally, some users love experimenting with hot soups, noting the blender's impressive heating capabilities. While a few mention the noise level, most agree it's worth it for the stellar results. The durability is often praised, with many reporting years of reliable use. Also, you'll appreciate the simplicity of the controls, making it user-friendly for all skill levels. Overall, customers seem thrilled with their investment, despite the higher price tag. As I mentioned earlier in my Vitamix 5200 review, this Vitamix model goes beyond your typical blender duties. You'll find yourself reaching for it daily, not just for smoothies. Its powerful motor and sharp blades can whip up hot soups in minutes, saving you stove time. And if you fancy some homemade nut butter, this machine's got you covered too. The variable speed control lets you fine-tune textures, from chunky salsas to silky purees. You can even grind your own flours or knead dough for fresh bread. The large 64-ounce container is perfect for batch cooking or entertaining. Overall, the Vitamix 5200 stands out as a top-tier blender that's worth considering. Its powerful motor and durable construction mean you'll likely be using it for years to come. You'll appreciate the simplicity of the controls and the self-cleaning feature, which make daily use a breeze. While it's pricier than average blenders, the versatility and performance justify the cost for many users. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, hot soups, or prepping ingredients, this machine has you covered.